Bus users are very used to waiting, and waiting for bus reform has certainly tested their patience, but I certainly hope the journey will be relatively straightforward and the destination worth it. Because I've had so many constituents come to me with their views on local services, outlining both the importance of buses for their day-to-day lives and the problems that sometimes arise. And I'm really pleased that parts of my region will be among the first to roll out franchising arrangements, as many communities in my region don't have access to train services, and therefore good bus services are absolutely essential. What I'm keen to get clarity on, however, is the way in which bus users themselves will be able to have their input into the franchising arrangements. They often tell me politicians generally don't use buses. If they did, we would see greater progress on this, and I have to say I agree with them. And in health, social care and education, we frequently talk about a person-centred approach, building the service around the needs of the user. You talk about engagement with local councillors and the CJCs. Well, they're leaders of local councils, aren't they? Generally, they're probably not using buses either. So I'd like to know what methods will be employed to ensure bus users, those people you talked about at the beginning of your statement, those people who don't have access to cars, are often very vulnerable, completely reliant on bus services. How will they have a voice alongside local authorities and operators and others to shape their local network and build this service that is heading in the right direction?
I am aware that there has been a delay in progressing this piece of legislation. One of the upsides of that is that it's given me an opportunity to finish what I started. But it has also enabled us to ensure that the legislation is in the strongest possible position as we present it to the Senedd